video, we first set up our Twitter bot. Means we got our keys, tokens, and now we are actually ready to start programming our Twitter bot. So let's start off with programming our Twitter bot. As you can see, all the variables are here for the consumer key, consumer secret, access token, access secret. But I'm not inputting anything. But you have to, like, your consumer key has to go here like that. So now let's create a variable. So we're gonna need this vp dot auth handler. Perfect. So basically this validates the keys and the tokens, and then we can connect this validated information to our API, and then we can start reading. So after that, we have to also add the access token and access secret. So type auth dot set access token. As you can see, it requires a key and the secret. It means it requires the access token and the access secret. So access token. Perfect. So now we're ready. So now let's actually link our API in. So you have to define a variable for this API. I'm going to call it control. VP dot API. As you can see, we are ready. Now let's actually post something. So the command to post something is update status. So let's run that. Control dot update status. Hello world. Perfect. So now let's actually see whether this will work. Perfect. I put in my access tokens and keys and everything. So now we're actually ready to check out whether this will actually work. I'm sure it will work that way. So we run it, and as you can see, it not print any error message, and it just said process finished with exit code 0. So that means it worked, or it not face any errors. So now let's actually go and check Twitter. Just reload this. F5. Yeah, as you can see, it posted. As you can see, it posted, and that means that our Twitter bot actually worked. So in the next couple of videos, we are actually going to be covering on how to do other Twitter features like retweeting, posting images, etc. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in the next video.